we've got, apparently, Project Mo, sheep lawnmower at gmail.com, or Project Mo 48198 at Facebook. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. They are so cute! Oh. I think I've startled one. Hello! Hello, little sheepies. Oh, you're so cute! You're so cute! Yes! Yes! Take down all the brush! Can we zoom? Oh my gosh, so cute! So cute! So cute! Oh, did I startle you? Okay. Look. Nom, 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 nom. Look at you. Look at you. Look at your little face. Look at your little face. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so sweet. And now an obligatory, they took our jobs! Oh no, but they're so sweet. They do it better than people could. And they get a whole lot of eating time, and oh my gosh. Oh. Wait. I can see it fine. I can see them fine. Can I zoom a little more? Nope, that's about as good as I'm gonna get. Yes, sheepies! How do I get back out? There we go, pinch. Yes? How come I can see you so well with just my glasses, and I'm half blind, but the camera can't? Oh my gosh, where'd you go? Oh, you're so cute.